Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your FedEx Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search FedEx Payroll Login. There you can see FedEx My Profile. Click on it. Then it will take you to the official page of FedEx. Once the page has been loaded up completely, enter your username and enter your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your FedEx Payroll. To make login easier for next time, you can click to remember my user ID. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer or a shared device. And if you have forgot your user ID or a password, you can get help by clicking to forgot user ID or password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.